So now we are moving to next step. So in this step we can connect all these fan coil unit with this chiller and boiler. So in first step we can connect all these fan coil units and this air handling unit with this chiller. So the process is that we the outlet, the water that out from all these fan coil units and this AHU, then this goes to this this air cooled chiller. So now we move back to our floor plane. So here you see this my air hand fan coil unit is placed at 6 feet elevation and it's wall mounted. So you can check your fan coil units at what height they are placed. So after that you see the air handling unit is placed on ground floor, or you can place outside at floor. And similarly this air cooled chillers, which is scroll chiller, is placed on roof. So first of all we create section. So now here you see this is air cooled, this is fan coil unit, and here you can create this section. So after creating this section, you just click on the tip of this and then select this. So now you see this is the outlet. So simply you can draw pipe from this outlet, and then this pipe goes here. You see this is our ceiling. Now this pipe is go to this ceiling, and similarly we have another pipe. So here you see this is inlet pipe, this is cold water outlet pipe, and this is the inlet of cold water pipe. So now you can draw pipe again from here, and then this pipe goes again to here. So now first step we do this. Similarly we can go to here. You see this is our another fan coil unit. So here we can create a section in this way, and again create connections. So now you can just click on this fan coil unit, and this is the outlet of fan coil unit. Simply you can draw pipe, and then this pipe goes about toward the ceiling. So here we have ceiling, and similarly we have other pipe, that is inlet pipe. So again draw pipe, and then move this again pipe to ceiling. And similarly we have third air fan coil unit. We place this coil unit at this position. So similarly you can again select this fan coil unit, and on outlet you can draw pipe, and similarly we have inlet pipe of pipe this. So again you can draw pipe. So now we can, in first step, here you see these are our pipe connectors, and we can draw pipe from each fan coil units.